Here we are with the DJI Flip. We're going up into the air with it, and we'll spin around and get into that sunset shot. How nice is that? We can adjust the pitch up, do a nice scroll. We're only at about 40 feet, so let's go up another to about 100. Get kind of a different perspective on the land there. And get a couple of these nice shots of the desert. If we want to, we can pivot and come straight down and look at where we are and give it sort of a falling spin, which is a lot of fun. Get that back up and drop down. And we just went up and we came right back down. How cool is that? This is so much fun to fly.